Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some stocks that are on the move today. We can do that. We are joined by Bloomberg's Isabel Lee. Isabel, what are you looking at today?
Let's start with CVC Capital Partners. It's an Amsterdam-listed firm, and they agreed to buy Marathon Asset Management. So this is a part of their efforts to widen their footprint in U.S. credit markets. Citigroup, in a note, said that the Marathon deal allows CVC to fill the white space that is in the U.S. credit market and should allow them to really just grow, especially in two areas, which is private wealth and insurance. So CVC is an Amsterdam-based firm. Ticker is CVC. It's down slightly by 1%, but still, it's good news for the company. The deal includes earnout consideration linked to Marathon's future financial performance over 2027 to 2029. I mean, most deals have that.
All right, good stuff. What's next on your list, Isabel?
Mankind, ticker is MNKD. The stock is barely hanging in there, up by 0.4%. We have the FDA approving an update to the company's inhaled insulin. So this was the first time I heard that there's such a thing, and it's revising recommendations for the starting mealtime dosage. So the revised recommendation are for Afrezza, that's the inhaled insulin that's approved to improve glycemic control in adult patients with diabetes mellitus. So revisions include recommended dose conversions from injected mealtime insulin or insulin pumps. So that's good news for the stock. I feel like with these companies, it's always, whenever there's an FDA approval or any regulatory news, the stock really just spikes higher.
Or they move up, they can move down too.
Oh, yes.
I mean,
or move lower, yes.
I mean, you got to be on your toes with those kinds of names. How about Revolution Medicines?
This one is really moving a lot lower, down by 20%. Ticker is RVMD. So they slid after Wall Street Journal reported that Merck ended talks to acquire the biotech firm, citing people familiar with the matter. And this came after the two companies couldn't agree on a price. So the deal, if it happened, could have valued Revolution Medicines at around $30 billion, the report said, adding that talks could restart or maybe another suitor could emerge. So Merck really has been looking for deals that will strengthen its treatments to counter patent losses that will erode sales by around $18 billion in the next years.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.